Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Lizify Creative. Just so you know what I'm about, I do tutorials, DIYs, and more. Subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up on this video, hit the bell button, and let's get started. So today we are doing some vinyl stickers for my boyfriend's company. I've already done most of these stickers. We're just adding the as seen on HGTV. We were lucky enough to work on HGTV for one of the shows. So yeah, we're just going to add this to the back of the truck and the sides, and I will show you how to do that with my Cricut design space and my Cricut machine. So here we go. I am using Illustrator, as you can see. You can use any software you're comfortable with. I'm comfortable with Illustrator. You can use the design Cricut space. That's totally up to you. I've already resized my stickers the size I want them to be and placed them on an artboard of 24 by 12 because that's the size of my Cricut mat. If you're wondering why it says as seen on HGTV and it's cut out, it's because it's too long for my Cricut mat, so I'll place it on the truck as 2 stickers. So once you've set it up on your artboard, you just have to save it as a PNG. So you go File, Export, Save As, rename your file, use artboards, and export, and make sure it's on a transparent background. If it's on a white background, the Cricut software won't recognize it as individual cut letters. Hit OK, and then that's when you can launch your design space. So then just browse your image, bring it into the Cricut software. Let me just find mine. It's right here. Hit open, and then hit simple because it's just black text, and then hit continue, and continue again, and then hit save as cut image, and then OK, and then bring it into the artboard, and then resize it to the size you need it to be. Just going to check the size in my Illustrator, go back to my design, or so my Cricut space, and make it the size I need to make it. Once you've resized it, you can hit make it, and it'll load just like this, and it'll show you how much vinyl you need to put onto your Cricut mat, and I will show you what that looks like in the machine once it is all loaded. And hit continue, and it'll show you which button you need to press on your Cricut. So this is what it looks like. There we go, just like that. And then hit this button, the Cricut button. And then it'll start cutting just like this. Once it's done, you can weed it out, just like I am doing right here. And then you pre-mask it, and I'm using Cricut transfer tape, just like this. Time to go outside and apply it to the truck, so it's best to clean the surface just using Windex or some kind of soap and water and wipe it dry. And then place the decal where you want it to be placed and use some frog tape or painter's tape. Measure out the center of the vinyl to make sure that it looks good on the truck. And then grab your Cricut squeegee and start pulling away the backing from the Cricut transfer tape and fold it over, and then commit to one portion of the sticker and squeegee it out just like this. Once you're done, you can pull away the Cricut transfer tape really slowly and on an angle because you don't want the letters to lift by accident, and then just push out any excess air that you see or any bubbles, and you can even use a little pin to pop the bubbles. There you have it, folks, a vinyl sticker on a truck. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.